Good morning, students. So today we are going to know about 10th class biology activity 2. The activity 2 or the experiment name is how can we prove the carbon dioxide is essential for the photosynthesis. So these are the questions. Let us give the answers. What is the aim of this experiment? After seeing this picture, what is the aim of this experiment means to prove the CO2 is essential for the photosynthesis. And the second question, what are the materials used in this experiment? So a healthy potted plant which is having long and narrow leaves, healthy potted plant which is having long and narrow leaves, a wide mouthed rubber cork having glass bottle, and a wooden block, and KOH solution. So the third question is, what is the chemical used in this bottle means KOH. KOH in this bottle we use. Why we are adding KOH means it absorbs the CO2 present in the bottle. So before conducting experiment, to see in this bottle there is no carbon dioxide. So whatever presence of carbon dioxide to absorb, we have to add the KOH. When we leave KOH in this bottle, whatever CO2 it will be absorbed. And what is the inference you draw from this experiment? So after taking healthy potted plant which is having long and narrow leaves, half of the leaf inside the bottle, rest of the leaf keep outside the bottle, and keep this entire setup 3 to 6 hours. After time is over, separate the leaf from the plant and take out the leaf and test the starch test. And here after testing, what happens? So here this is the leaf which is present inside the bottle does not turns into blue black color. The leaf which is present outside the bottle turns into blue black color. Why? Because it receives the carbon dioxide. So the half of the leaf which is present outside the bottle, it receives the carbon dioxide, hence it turns into blue black color. The part of the leaf which is inside the bottle does not receive the carbon dioxide, hence it does not turns into blue black color. Because of we are keeping half of the leaf inside the bottle, this experiment is also called off leaf experiment. Moles off leaf experiment. This is you have to keep in your mind. And next here you can see this how are the operators arranged. So take healthy potted plant which is having long and narrow leaves, half of the bring nearer to the leaf a bottle, and insert the half of the leaf inside the bottle. Before leaving half of the leaf inside the bottle, leave the carbon dioxide, KOH. Why? Because it absorbs the whatever carbon dioxide present in the bottle. And also keep the bottom wooden block, and keep this entire setup 6 to 3 hours. So after time is over, take out the leaf, test the starch test. So iodine. So after iodine test, which part of the leaf turns into blue black color? Already I said, after taking out this long and narrow leaf which is kept in the bottle, and half of the bottle we inserted the bottle. So this is the long and narrow leaf in which we kept half of the leaf inside the bottle. This only turns into blue black color. Why? Because which is outside, it receives the carbon dioxide. That is the reason it turns into blue black color. Which is inside the bottle, so there is no CO2, hence it does not turns into blue black color. So because of off leaf only we are taking for to conduct experiment. This experiment is also called moles off leaf experiment. And why do we need destarch the plant? So here this point you have to keep in your mind. Destarch means removal of starch before conducting experiment. Whenever you conducting the starch test or this whatever test to prove the starch, you have to keep 3 to 4 days dark in. Why? Because to make sure that removal of starch in the leaves. So this is the most important examination level activity based question. You have to keep follow. Thank you.